3. Clever ways to turn a one-time WordPress project into a long-term client relationship. Clever tip number 1. Offer maintenance packages. After completing a project, suggest an ongoing monthly retainer for monthly updates, backups, or minor tweaks. This keeps you on their radar and provides consistent income for you. I would also offer basic SEO to clients as another great way for regular monthly income. Clever tip number 2. Follow up regularly. Do not just disappear off the face of the earth once that project is done. Check in with the clients a month or two later, ask how their website is performing, and offer further help and improvements. Clients appreciate the extra care. Clever tip number 3. Stand out by anticipating client needs. Be proactive, so don't wait around for them to ask for improvements. You can suggest things like performance upgrades, new features, or SEO enhancements they hadn't even thought of before. This shows that you're thinking long term and care about their business success.